Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the essentials. Pick 5 to 10 SEO tools people will care about and validate demand quickly. Once done, register a short domain and provision a VPS or cloud instance with at least 2 vCPU and 4 GB RAM. This supports multiple users. Next, install SSL and configure DNS so visitors see a secure site. Then integrate a payment gateway and prepare simple pricing tiers. These steps get your platform usable, and they remove early friction for members. You now assemble the middle, deploy a CMS or minimal web framework, and implement user roles with subscription validation. This controls who gets access. Then create API proxies or licensing wrappers around each SEO tool so you can forward requests while preserving tool limits. Make sure to cap concurrent sessions per account. Once that works, script automated provisioning and deprovisioning to reduce manual work, and add usage logging so you can meter cost per tool and adjust pricing accordingly. You finish by launching a closed beta with limited seats, collecting feedback, and finalizing pricing and support docs. Make the platform resilient. Enable a web application firewall, rate limits, 2FA for admin accounts, and automated backups. Once public, monitor billing, usage, and expense to keep margins healthy. If something breaks, immediately check server and proxy logs, roll back the last deployment, and isolate the failing API or proxy. This quickly restores service and prevents billing or data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.